Hey, Olivia,
Hmm?
you want to see the ball drop? It's almost midnight.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you want to? You want to see the ball
Go back
drop?
to sleep.
You want to come see the ball drop?
That's all.
Do you want to come out and do it and then go back to sleep? Tired girls, would you rather just stay asleep?
You want to come see the ball drop? It's almost midnight.
What you asked for?
Come on. Come on out. What, baby? I know. You can come watch the ball drop and then go straight back to bed. 2 minutes. Gotta hurry up. You asked. Daddy and I stayed up.
I know.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.